Okay, so this is Cortlandt Park here in the Bronx, and I had trouble getting down. As you could tell by my sneakers. Yeah. I actually neglected to bring my boots back from home. Sad I forgot to do that. But let's go on a little bit of an adventure. Again, this is from all past storms. Feels good in the sun. Well, the street out here is cleared. Well, it's not really much of a fence here. Yeah. Okay. And just look past that. That is what you might call the parade grounds of Cortlandt Park. It's clear, fenced up, but gives a pretty good indication of the snow. My sneakers took a beating there. Oh, golly jeez. But looks like a barren wasteland out there. See on that white on all the way on the down? It's a little hill up there, or a rock. Pretty deep. Alright, here we are in the woods of Cortlandt Park. This place has not been plowed or shoveled, and I'm just sitting through snow. Clouds have increased. The sun is behind clouds. And I mean, this is some really nice forest footage of winter. Nice wintry scenes. But it can be rough for an unshoveled pathway. We need more deep print, more snow on top of that. Oh. And here's a rough hill to go up. Let's go up. Holy gee, this is deep snow. But let's go anyway. Oh, here's the top of the hill. That's where we were earlier. Because it was a long hill to climb. But we made it. Nice park, isn't it? What a wonderful snow day. Alright, here we are back out here. We were up there earlier, now we're down here on the ground. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's how deep the footprint is. Because the snow has been relatively untouched as we look at another look at the parade grounds at Van Cortlandt. Well, someone was here earlier, but I guess they got covered too. Man, my sneakers are wet. Boy, really wish I remembered to bring my boots. But it's worth it. Because it's only the second time on record that there have been two 12-inch plus storms in the same winter. The other being back in '78. Oh, well, it's hard to believe that it's only January 27th. Still a lot more winter to go, and there's even forecasts for some more snow both this weekend and next week. This is also the second straight winter with 50-inch plus storm. And I wonder what Paul Kocin, K-O-C-I-N, thinks of this. He must be really happy about this. He was the guy that used to work for the Weather Channel. Now he works in DC. But he's got to be enjoying this. And now finally we're on the steps to leave Cortlandt Park. That's where we were. Okay, so another dramatic snowstorm. While this one was less in time duration, they were much more intense bands than the ones from right after Christmas. So again, I thought last winter was crazy until we saw this winter. The fact that we might even break the monthly record, which was set last year. Well, thanks for enjoying this footage.